Welcome to Academic Academy SA. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and turn on your notification bells so you never miss an upload. Now, let's get started.
Hello everyone and welcome to our online algebra session. I'm really glad you are here because today we are going to uncover the hidden basic of algebra, the simple foundation that make everything else much easier. Even though we are meeting online, I want this to feel interactive. So keep your notebook ready and don't be shy about asking questions on the comment section or trying out the practice problem as we go. Algebra isn't about memorizing rules, it's about understanding patterns and logic, and I'll show you how to see it that way. Let's dive in together and make algebra less of a mystery and more of a tool you can actually use. So here I have an algebraic expression which I'll explain everything further. Then our expression here is 8x plus 6, where 8 stands as our coefficient, x is a variable, 6 is our constant. Then, uh, elaborating everything further, a variable is a placeholder of an unknown. For this case, x is our variable. And then moving forward, coefficient. A coefficient are the fixed values attached to a variables. They are multiplied by the variable. So 8 is a coefficient. So whenever they can call out a question like the coefficient of x, now you will know 8 is your answer because it's a multiple of a variable here. Then a term can be a constant, a variable, or a combination of both. Elaborated here, whenever talking about a term, it can be consist of these things, a constant or everything that side. Then each term is separated by each addition or subtraction, as you can see. So this is basically term number one. Then moving this side is term number two. Everything here is term number one, not individually. So 8x is term number one. Then 6 is our term number two. So the terms are separated by an addition sign and subtraction, not multiplication. Since here we know there is a multiplication, this is one term. So whenever you see an addition or maybe it can be subtraction, now we move to another second term. So don't be confused. So now we move forward to a constant. In algebraic expression, constants are fixed values that do not change. They are numerically values without any variable attached. So 6, since there's no variable attached to it, we call it a constant. It can be any number to infinity. Don't cram, guys. So we're moving forward on algebra. So we were on algebraic expressions on the previous video. So moving forward, types of algebraic expressions. There are types of algebraic expressions. So don't be confused about these abbreviations. Then for algebraic expressions, so we have monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. In that order, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then monomial is an algebraic expression consisting of a single term, which can be a constant, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables with non-negative integer exponents. So for examples of monomial. Example of monomial, it can be a constant, I just chose 5, and a variable x, the one that is used to scare people, which is that one x, or it can be this thing, any exponent you can choose to put 5, any number, as long as there is a multiplication between or even division, it's a monomial. Moving to a binomial. A binomial is an algebraic expression consisting of exactly two terms which are separate by a positive or a negative sign. Only two, not less or more. 2. So if I just choose this 5, I mean x plus 5, this is a binomial, term 1 and term 2, only 2. You can either choose to combine any here, as long as there is a plus or minus, no other sign except the true. So moving to trinomial. Trinomial, it's also an algebraic expression consisting of exactly 3 terms which are separated by a plus or minus. Again, highlight exactly, exactly true, um independently. So for mono, exactly 1, for bi, true. Then for this one, we are still going that side. So for this one, I just combine everything from my mono plus x. This time let me choose minus this side. Term 1, term 2, term 3. As you can see, no multiplication, no division, only plus or minus sign. Then moving to a polynomial. It's a algebraic expression consisting of or more four or more terms. So it can be either adding from trinomial. So I just gonna use the very same uh, numbers. Let me here use cube, then here it's squared, then I introduce another. It can be any variable of your choice, plus 6 or more, or you can add going forward. This is a polynomial. It consists of 4 terms or more. Then here is where I will end my session. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video.
Academic Academy essay. Lock in.